Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video is over the Katana Kata Morote-Zuki. That is one of the Seitei Kata set. It is number 6 in the Seitei Kata set. We'll have a look at it from the front. We'll have a look at it from the side. This is a walking kata. We start by taking 3 steps forward. On our 3rd step, we're doing an overhead cut and stopping it about chin high. Then I'm getting both hands to the sword, shuffle step forward, and 2-handed thrust to the midsection. This is Morote-Zuki. Then I look over my left shoulder, turn, step through, overhead cut, look, turn, step through, overhead cut. And then I come to Chudan no Kamai, Chiburi, Noto. All right, now let's have a look at that a little faster. All right, now let's have a look at it from the side. Start by taking 3 steps forward. Overhead cut to about chin high, and this is a one-handed cut. Then Morote-Zuki, double hand thrust. Step through, overhead cut. Step through, overhead cut. Now with these 2 overhead cuts, I want to be careful that I am stopping them just under belt high here. I'm not letting them head all the way down to the floor here, right about here. Now again, let's have a look at this going a little bit faster. Morote-Zuki. We're going to take that one more time. I got in just a little bit of a hurry at the very beginning. All right, and that is the Kata Morote-Zuki. Thank you very much for joining me.